When it comes to enhancing the comfort and value of your home, one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is to install new windows. Whether you're renovating your property, replacing old, inefficient windows, or simply looking to boost your home's curb appeal, professional window installation offers numerous benefits. In Frederick, where climate variations can be quite noticeable, opting for expert services is particularly valuable. Here's why you should consider hiring a professional window installation service in Frederick. Improved energy efficiency. One of the key reasons homeowners in Frederick choose professional window installation is to improve energy efficiency. In this region, temperatures can fluctuate significantly throughout the year, from cold winters to hot summers. Poorly sealed or old windows can let in drafts and cause your heating and cooling systems to work harder than necessary. Professional window installers ensure that your new windows are properly sealed and fit perfectly, minimizing air leaks. This translates into lower energy bills because your home will retain heat in the winter and stay cooler during the summer. Enhanced comfort. Proper window installation also contributes to a more comfortable living environment. With expertly installed windows, you'll notice fewer drafts and a more consistent indoor temperature. This can make a significant difference in rooms that tend to be drafty or too hot. Professional installation ensures that the windows operate smoothly, so you can enjoy fresh air without worrying about them sticking or malfunctioning. Whether it's maintaining your desired temperature or improving ventilation, professional window installation is a great way to enhance your home's overall comfort. Increased curb appeal and home value. New windows can dramatically transform the appearance of your home, improving its curb appeal and making a lasting impression. Whether you opt for sleek modern windows or classic designs that complement your home's architectural style, high-quality windows can give your property an instant facelift. For those considering selling their home, professionally installed windows can increase its resale value. Buyers are often attracted to homes that have modern, energy-efficient windows, knowing it will reduce their future maintenance and utility costs. Noise reduction. Living in a bustling area or near major roads can lead to constant noise disruption. Professional window installation helps reduce the amount of outdoor noise that enters your home. Modern windows come with advanced soundproofing features, such as multiple panes of glass and improved sealing. This can be especially beneficial for those in urban areas of Frederick or homes near busy streets. By reducing noise pollution, you create a more peaceful and quiet environment, making your home a true sanctuary. Long-term durability and low maintenance. Professional window installation ensures that you're not only getting aesthetic appeal but also long-lasting durability. Expert installers use high-quality materials that are built to withstand the elements in Frederick. From strong vinyl to energy-efficient glass, these materials are designed to last for years with minimal upkeep. In addition, windows installed by professionals are more resistant to issues like cracking, warping, or fading, which can often occur with DIY or poor quality installations. This means you can enjoy beautiful windows for years to come without worrying about frequent repairs. Safety and security. Windows are an essential part of your home's security system. Improper installation can leave your home vulnerable to break-ins, with gaps or weak points that can be exploited. Professional window installers are trained to ensure that your windows are securely fitted, with locks that function properly and prevent easy access to intruders. Furthermore, modern windows often come with safety features such as tempered glass, which is less likely to shatter, adding an extra layer of protection to your home. Expert guidance on window choices. Choosing the right type of windows for your home can be overwhelming. There are various styles, materials, and features to consider, from energy-efficient glass to specific frames that suit your home's design. A professional window installer brings expert knowledge and can help guide you through the selection process. They can recommend the best window options based on your budget, climate considerations, and desired aesthetics, ensuring that you make an informed choice that enhances both the functionality and beauty of your home. Time-saving and stress-free installation. Installing windows can be a time-consuming and physically demanding task, especially if you don't have the proper tools or experience. Hiring a professional window installation team in Frederick means that the job will be completed quickly and efficiently. Professional installers are equipped with the necessary skills, tools, and knowledge to handle the job correctly, saving you time and eliminating the stress of attempting the installation yourself. Conclusion. Investing in professional window installation in Frederick provides a wide range of benefits, from improving your home's energy efficiency to increasing its value and aesthetic appeal. With expert installation, you'll enjoy enhanced comfort, lower utility bills, and long-term durability. Whether you're updating your home's style or making it more energy efficient, hiring a professional ensures that the job is done right the first time, giving you peace of mind and a home you can truly enjoy.